The SLS AMG GT3 is a race version of the SLS AMG Coupe, developed in accordance with the GT3 regulations of the FIA Fédération Internationale de l'Automobile. Notable changes include a sequential 6-speed racing transmission with shift paddles mounted on the steering column, an integrated multi-disc locking differential and traction control, adjustment facilities for the springs and shock absorbers, the suspension height, the stabilizers, the track width and camber, a rack and pinion steering with a more direct ratio and servo assistance, AMG 18-inch light alloy wheels, a steel racing braking system with racing abs, seat shell, individually foam padded, featuring the hands, head and neck support, system located in a high-strength carbon fiber, CFRP, safety cell, a 6-point racing harness, an optimized fire extinguisher system and the central display positioned within the driver's field of vision. The development of the new Mercedes-Benz SLS AMG GT3 testing program began on Lausitz's Eurospeedway in June 2010. Official introduction took place at the 2010 New York International Auto Show, followed by Puebla in Mexico, and the 2010 Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. Deliveries began in February 2011, following homologation by the FIA in accordance with the GT3 regulations. A total of 86 cars were sold.